So you're about to get a ride in the goggles with one of our FPV drones.
Okay, cool.
And you are, I don't know, you probably don't know this, but you are standing next to FPV royalty.
Don't blow it up too much.
That's Joshua
I'm
Bardwell.
next to Brownsville royalty.
This is greatness. He's the know-it-all. He knows everything.
Knows it all.
Yeah, yeah.
Greatness.
All right,
All right, so
right.
here is the mayor before his
Don't make
FPV
it
ride.
close.
All right.
We got elevated pretty quick there.
We'll just take a little flight around.
Okay, there. It's Billy Tripp's Mindfield.
Do you get motion sickness?
No.
Okay, good.
Be all right.
Have you ever had this view of the sculpture
No.
before?
This is super cool.
Yeah.
It's so cool.
Now I'm gonna try not to hit any of these hidden wires by flying through there. But
Yeah.
All right.
Come back around.
Dive gaps are few and far between.
yeah, I don't think I want to go through the middle here. What about the? Oh, see, there's a wire there.
Oh wow, it sure is.
We'll watch out for that. But we got a little. We could do a little.
We'll go down low. Whoa.
Through here.
Nope.
Billy Tripp removed the wire of death between the fire towers, so you can dive in between them if you want.
Yeah, I see what you mean, Chief. You like,
Oh, look at it.
Yeah. It's clean through there.
yeah.
Right through that movie theater.
Wow, sweet. And back.
Yeah,
Cool.
we do it all. We got any hidden wires over here? That's gonna get me.
Our department needs one racing drone in case
There's a
somebody
wire
runs
that's
from it.
stringing above
I know,
where
right?
we're standing.
Down
Other
low,
than that,
sweet.
we're good.
Yeah.
Have you gone through the hanging stuff on the crane? Billy put that up
Where's
especially
that
for
now?
us.
Where's that now?
The crane,
The crane here? Oh yeah, we
yeah,
could
you
do
see
that.
it?
We could do
He
a little-
put that up just for us.
Uh-oh. 360.
You okay, Mr. Mayor?
Yeah, I'm good.
All right.
I want my legs are wobbling
Yeah.
around. I can feel them.
You got the chief of police here to prop you up if you
All right,
fall.
there we go.
You're gonna catch him, right?
I got him right here.
All right.
Oh, I got another quad up here circling. Let's see
You're being followed.
Yeah, I see that.
who we got here.
Oh,
What's he up to? Oh, hello, sir.
you gave a chicken, huh?
Do you feel confident enough to go under the boat and then through that pipe?
Well, that's how I dunked it in the water
Yeah,
the last
I'm
time.
laughing.
Oh, well, don't listen to me.
The boat's no problem. but
Right.
The pipe, there's a wire that surprised me.
Oh.
Yeah, right there. This wire here. I went and I turned around and I hit the wire and then.
God, yeah.
Well, you did this video in there, I think.
I went through it before.
Oh, sweet.
Nah, I got it.
You got it.
I got it.
Oh boy.
I guess an RF engineer would know.
Oh, what did you just do?
You know you're wobbling a little bit too, Joshua.
I always feel stressed out when I got spectators try to not do it.
Well, nobody's
Try not to
watching yet.
embarrass myself.
No, we got no spectators here. Nobody cares. Who cares?
We got 2 or 3 people here.
Back on the knee. 180.
What's your voltage?
I'm hanging in there.
All right.
Oh, there we go.
Wire.
I found a wire.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, hang on. Somebody needs to take a tiny whoop through there.
When you come back, can you land on the tent we're standing under?
Can I land on the tent?
Yeah.
Which one?
I reckon. On top of it? Won't I just slide right off though?
It'll catch you. Like
You
a cat,
sure?
yeah, like a catcher's
I
mitt.
think I'm gonna hit somebody in the head. I don't really.
Right there,
I don't love that idea.
Look at Bardwell being all
Be
safe.
safe in front of the mayor.
Yeah. What'd you think?
Awesome. That's really cool.
Yeah.
Thanks for the ride.
Sure thing,
That was
man.
pretty cool.
Thank you for riding along.
You know, I had no idea. You know what I'm saying? We have a couple of drones. Well, we have one drone, our drone operator here, Chief Evans, and we use it and we've upgraded, but this is a whole nother level. And it's awesome. There's a lot of big kids out here.
I mean,
and you gotta have fun.
If you see these drones doing acrobatics, it's one thing, but then to be in the goggles,
to see,
you see why we do it then,
see why
right?
you do it. All right,
'Cause
it's just, you can't beat it. It's awesome. It's cool. It's a
Wonderful.
great feeling. Thank
Well,
you for
thank you for coming out
sharing
to
it with
see
us.
us,
And
yeah.
thank you for coming to Brownsville, Tennessee.
enjoy. Isn't that just fantastic?
I like it.
It's adrenaline while you're standing firmly on the ground.
Yeah.
I have definitely have to sit in a chair and do this.
Yeah.
A lot of people like to sit in a chair instead of stand up.
He's wobbling.
It's nerve-wracking.
But there's no consequences.
Only money.
Only carbon, not flesh.
We go in here.
You
Oh,
can go
yeah.
anywhere. He has it
Slow
all
down.
open.
We'll get in there.
That's not very good.
Yeah.
What?
All right, I'm gonna bring it in.
Yeah, that needs new motors.
We'll bring it in.
Yeah, I know. Thanks for reminding me.
Where are we? We're over here? Oh, there we are. There we go.
Your thoughts, if any. Yeah. So, just the general public sees all these things zipping around here. They're like, drones, right? They have no idea
No clue.
that we're on board these things.
Well, and the thing is, I come through here last year and I saw the drone keep going. And had to do it. Some kid that I'd normally come here and take pictures and
Right.
get bored, but I just can't believe this. I can't believe it.
Okay, very cool. Here we go. Woo! Ooh, we're up way high. I see him. Here we are. Look at there. See a cemetery. See the courthouse? It is so cool. Really has the cool stuff. Yeah, it really has the cool stuff. Oh, are we going to go through the tower? Tower. Good shot. Hey, that's if that was the first tower, that's the one I climbed when we were in leadership. See me? What do you think? I don't know. Let's see. Look at oh, I'm not that breeze. That was so cool. Oh my gosh, that was so cool.
What'd you think of that?
That was so cool.
You see why we do this now?
Yeah, that was cool.
Yeah, thanks, dude. Are you okay?
That was so cool.
That's the reaction right there. Okay. Go down. Now we can see the time. Yes. That was.
As Ken Heron would tell you, always be contenting. And this is what happens when he leaves his camera unattended. Do you want to sing happy birthday?
Well, first we want to start out by saying happy birthday, Ken. When you're seeing this later and you're editing through all your files.
We'll give you something to laugh about, and we
Yes.
really appreciate you doing this. And
Yes.
happy birthday.
Happy birthday, buddy.
And no, I'm not singing.
And for me, you, Ken.
Why not? I did not order this rain.
What, Ken, you don't control the weather?
Normally I do.
Oh.
I ordered a light shower this morning. This is just a bonus.
No, Ken, you were supposed to take a shower this morning.
Oh, that's what it was.